How to create an organization in OpenAI Platform. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to easily create an organization in OpenAI Platform. In order to do that, first head over to your web browser and simply search for OpenAI Platform. So just simply go ahead and search for it and hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see here, go to platform.openai.com. Make sure to log into your account for this. I've already logged in using my Gmail. Now all you have to do here is click on Start Building. Now it will ask you to create an organization first. So you will be signed in as your account. If you want to change it, you can use another account. And if you're looking for ChatGPT, you can always click right here. But I'll just create a new organization here. Now you can just name it. I'll just give it my username and select what best describes you. I'll just select somewhat technical. Click on create organization. I'll be taken over to the next step. It will ask you to invite your team. I'll just do it later. Then you can make your first API call. You could generate an API key. I'll just click it. You could just do it later as well. So I can just click over here and just click on copy and then continue. You could add API credits. I'll just do it later. And there you go. You have now successfully opened your OpenAI developers platform. You can browse through different models, start building, and that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.